Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Later to repurpose LinkedIn posts step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. Go to the Later website at later.com. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Fill in your information and follow the prompts to complete the sign up process. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Locate the option to connect your LinkedIn account. Click on the LinkedIn icon to initiate the connection process. You will be prompted to log into your LinkedIn account. Enter your LinkedIn credentials and authorize Later to access your account. After authorizing, return to the Later dashboard. Now it's time to add your LinkedIn posts for repurposing. Go to the Content section on your dashboard. Select the option to create a new post. Choose LinkedIn as your desired platform from the list. Now, select an existing post you want to repurpose. You can either click on the post or drag it into the content calendar. Edit the post as needed to fit your current strategy. Add any relevant hashtags or images to enhance engagement. Ensure that your post adheres to LinkedIn's formatting guidelines. Once you're satisfied with your content, select the date and time for posting. Review your settings and confirm everything is correct. Finally, click the Schedule button to set your post. Your LinkedIn post is now scheduled and ready for repurposing with Later. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.